Hello, YouTube. Today we are in GeoFS, and I am showing you a bit of what the facilities for editing and creating aircraft look like when you become a community contributed developer after emailing Xavier, the creator. Already we're getting errors. This Piper Cub here appears to be frozen in time. I don't know what he's doing. We also have a ton of, like a metric ton of errors over here. Um, GeoFS.api.frame callback wrapper general cannot read property 0 of undefined. I have absolutely no idea what that is. But if we just take this plane off, then it should work out okay, except for that. We have to apply a lot of rudder because of the 10 knot crosswind. Jesus. But yeah, we're flying normally. If we turn on the autopilot, we'll see that this stuff over here starts updating. Let's increase our altitude a bit. Let's just go heading 90, just because. Oh hey, Air Force 145 is on. So as you can see, all this stuff over here is updating, and I guess that's kind of the purpose of the debug panel. So now let's go into, whoa, put the brakes on. Go into my aircraft right flyer while loading the aircraft. Oh, and it could not load the aircraft file either. What about this test cylinder that supposedly... Never mind. Well, that doesn't work, but we do have Alt-Shift-F, which should switch the... Come on. Oh dear, I have to reload the website. Aircraft, there we go. Then go into my test cylinder that Johanny gave me. It's not really mine. This is what the editor looks like. These aircraft definition files are in JSON. It starts out relatively simple, things like mass, drag factor, gear travel time, max RPMs, etc. And then it gets it gets mildly more complicated with the various instruments. And then these whatever they are. Then we start getting into animations and parts. Yeah, I think this is just animations, but so that's where parts needs to. That's where the root command needs to go. And then we have long list of part characteristics like this. And that's just the wing. It gets more complicated with control surfaces and things. But yeah, for some reason I could not load the aircraft file. Actually, let's go into here, go back to my aircraft list, go into the right flyer, and copy paste all of this and remove it. And then we're gonna put it down here.